please.
I'm just recording.
Right,
Leave him alone.
Athena's like, it's snowing. The walls are even white. Look.
That's just, it's not
It's
from
the
that.
powder.
No, it's not.
Wow, the carpet smells fresh.
Now you don't have to worry about vacuuming anymore.
Look at
Oh my god.
Athena, please don't say that.
Kid, that's your butt. That's for your butt.
How about I knew when I bought that powder it was a mistake?
Wow.
This is your bed. That's for your
I'll
butt.
go get the vacuum. Look, the powder's coming all the way out here.
I'm about to die. Alright, we're gonna have to take you to the hospital for cornstarch inhalation. You can't even see out the window, there's so much powder.
Wow. Sorry, but it really is funny. Dad.
Honey, I'm not arguing that point at all.
Well, my hands are soft. And your butt was cold.
Nuh-uh, you get right back in there. Turn around. Go back over there. You're full of powder. Okay, Athena, stop. I'm tasting
You need to
it.
help Sissy clean up.
It looks like we've been in a soot fire. Look at it. Athena, stop. Pick up this blanket.
Party's over.